why I believe that online consulting business is literally the best business model in the world. And it's very simple to boil down to a single reason, right? Now, there are many, many reasons, but this one reason is one of the best. Imagine you could change your life while you can change other people's lives. This is the most fulfilling and best thing that can happen ever, right? Whether it's the fitness and health niche, whether it is anything about marketing or business or money making or life coaching, or where you help people getting happier, losing weight, gaining, it doesn't matter, right? Literally, we have people help, two women actually, help their clients get their gastrointestinal, I think it's called in English, something in their stomach to get that healthy and cleaned up, essentially, right? And they made $7,000 in their first week of joining, which is just amazing. Now, they can change people's lives while changing their own life, right? And that is one of the reasons why I love it so much, especially for myself. I make a heck of a lot of money, right? Teaching other people how they can have a successful and market the right way, right? Online consulting business, okay? Now, while I see how people like Sabrina, Martina, Mohamed, so many people, right? They're like, you see it all over the program, always in my stories, right? Literally every single day you see the client results. Like, how do we, like, I can change their lives while living such a great life that I, for example, have a living room with literally the best view in entire Dubai downtown, right? Now, that is not to brag, but just to show you that this is actually possible, okay? And now, I'm not this type of person who's like, oh, you should, only care about impact and nothing else matters and just, serve the people, all be Mother Teresa. No, BS, right? Now, but what if you can serve yourself while serving other people? That's the best thing that can ever happen, right? Like, imagine you have that fulfilling feeling of having impact, right? Doing what you actually enjoy doing while making a ton of money, right? I'm genuinely actually against the passion lie. Right? I call it the passion lie. It is where people tell you do what you're passionate about and only do what you're passionate about. And I disagree with that, right? Now, why do I disagree with that? Because, well, I'm passionate about watching Netflix all day and eating fries, right? Now, should I be doing that? No, right? Now, you have to be uncomfortable and do stuff that you might not be passionate yet about, but maybe you're just not passionate about it yet because you're not good at it yet, right? Imagine when you started playing football or tennis or any sport. Now, when you started playing it, it might have been fun, right? Somewhat, but you were not as, crazily passionate. Imagine how fun it is if you're actually really good at it. Like, and you start winning and you start, seeing the fruits of labor and stuff, right? Now, same thing is with the business and with what you're doing. Now, you can be the most passionate person about whatever, your bakery or something. Imagine you're losing money every month. Like, fuck that passion. Like, you're losing you can't feed your children. Like, to hell with passion, right? So, start like finding ways on how to make money, right? Then do what you're passionate about, right? And now the best thing is do both. Like, it is freaking fun helping other people, right? And earning a lot of money while doing that, right? Now that is combined with the right marketing in, I believe, also the online consulting niche, right? Why? Because it's such a growing industry on top, right? Just ride the wave of something that's already super successful. Use the right strategies, of course, right? Know what's working, and then change your life while changing other people's lives. That's the main reason. Hope that, video gave you some, maybe opened your eyes or something like this, or maybe you're like, yeah, that's true, I should be doing that. Then yeah, comment below how that helped you, that video, okay? And if you want my team or myself to reach out to you, actually, I will be taking every single day, or I am actually already, taking 30 minutes of my day to reaching to you out personally, right? So comment me below, I'll reach out to you. Let's hop on a call, see if that makes sense to work together, maybe, right? Maybe you want to know what we actually do and how we do that, how we help our clients, right? So yeah, see you guys in the next video.